Buoyant boats bellowed broken ballast babble beneath bobbing berths, baffling bell-bottomed boarders by bungled buoy broadcasts. You'll go. Okay, can we do that faster? Buoyant boats bellowed broken ballast babble beneath bobbing berths, babbling bell-bottomed boarders by bungled buoy broadcasts. There we go. A note, by the way, for our American listeners, we say buoy in England and buoy in America, but I prefer buoy anyway. There we go. Let me know in the comments how well you did. I'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, I hope I'm going to have the pleasure of seeing you again tomorrow for another of your favourite tongue twisters. See you then.